Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to track orders on Amazon step by step. If you want to check your package status and delivery updates, this tutorial is for you. On your mobile dashboard, all we need to do is download the Amazon Shopping app. Once we have that, to track our orders on Amazon, we simply tap the Amazon app to open it. Once we are on the home screen, we just tap this icon, the person logo next to the home button. Now, once we are in our account, we can tap on our orders in the upper part of the screen. This is where we will see all of our orders, including canceled and fulfilled ones. To track an order, all we need to do is find the order we want to track. We do not have a purchase history to show as an example, but all we need to do is tap on the order, and it will show us the order status right away. It will tell us if the package is in transit, on the way, or out for delivery that day. This is how we can track our Amazon orders using the app. We can view shipping details, check delivery progress, and access tracking information for any of our purchases. And that's it. Now we know how to track orders on Amazon.